Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. I apologize. I have been sick. I'm actually still sick. You can probably hear it in my voice a little bit. I look horrible. I'm sorry. And my office is a mess right now. But I wanted to come on to talk about Epicure and hosting. So January has been a double host month, which is awesome. But I have been getting emails of people saying, why aren't people wanting to try Epicure? You get twice as many products for free. How can I kind of entice people to have a party, have an event? Because once people do, we all know they love it, right? And they host more. The same people come back because they know how amazing it is. So here's the trick. When somebody is hosting a party, either online or in person, talk to that host about talking about how amazing it is to be a host so they can attract more people. The best thing to do is to get more people. As with any business, you need to constantly be bringing in more customers because you will have customers that can only buy so much, right? Even me, I can only buy so much Epicure for myself, right? When a new catalog comes out, I go crazy, but you can only buy so much. So train that host, tell that host, give them incentives of if you get people to book a party after after ordering from you, they will get something free and give the host something free too for every party that is booked. So the host might say to you, but I want them to buy from my party, not have their own party, right? So always give them that option after they order, because trust me, they will want more stuff. Nobody ever says, oh, I wish I had that option before I just ordered all of my stuff and paid for my stuff. Nobody says that. What people say is, oh, really? So I can get free Epicure if I do this myself? Do I have to do any work? Like, you did all of the work. She didn't do any work. This is awesome. Always let them know, hey, do you want to host your own online event? It's super easy. It can be 2 hours, it can be half an hour online, whatever you want to get free Epicure stuff. I don't have a lot of time left, but I do have a Sunday morning and a Thursday afternoon, something like that. Always do that to every customer. Tell your host, give your host incentives, because obviously those customers know your host. They don't know you too much yet, but they know your host more. Give your host an incentive. Like, if every single person books a party with me, either online or in person, after I do close their party, you will get a free meal kit, or you will get a free cookware set, whatever you want. If 15 people show up to their party and 15 people book a party and order, I would be buying my host a whole cookware set, but that's just me, okay? So it's up to you. But the trick is, give them the incentive after that person books the party and actually has the party. Because it does happen to me where people are so excited to book a party with me, either online or in person, and then, oh, they have to cancel this date, and then, oh, they have to cancel another date. Well, let's just do it next month. I don't have time right now. Next month turns into, let's just do it in 6 months, I'm kind of busy, and then they never actually have their party. So then you would be giving your host or that person a free gift when they didn't even do anything, right? It does happen. So promise them something after they host the party, and have a qualifying party, I should say, because it might happen where somebody hosts a party, one person comes, doesn't buy anything. It's a lot of time for you, wasted. I don't want to say wasted, but wasted because you're not making any money. Yes, the host will feel bad because maybe they did try, but they always have family. They always have friends. They always have coworkers. In my experience, if a host doesn't have a good party, they haven't tried. There's only so much you can do. You can't invite your friends to their party, right? They have to invite their friends, coworkers, family, get excited about it. So remember what I said. The key to booking more parties is to have your customers from that host party book a party with you, because every party they have, they will bring new people, and then they will hopefully book more parties, online or in person. Very, very easy. So good luck. Let me know if you need help, you guys. I'm excited for you. January isn't over yet. There's 2 more days. Stay safe, don't get sick like me, and good luck.